and happy fall to all of you. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. And for those of you that are stopping in for the very first time, my name is Felicia and welcome to my channel. I hope that you will enjoy this video so much that you will just go ahead and click that subscribe button and become a new friend to the Felicia by the Seasons Today's video, family. I am going to be decorating my front porch for fall 2023. Now, this is going to be a very busy video because I am going to be doing a DIY. I'm going to show you how to create a fall wreath. I'm also going to be planting some mums and sharing some tips with you in how to give your mums longevity so they can last through the fall season. And also, somewhere in the middle of this video, I'm going to be doing a product review. And I'm going to bring to you a new product. And also, there's going to be a lot of wardrobe changes because I recorded this video over a period of several days. Now, one of the cons of fall is you have shorter days. So I had to complete this process multiple days until I completed it. So I hope that you enjoy this video and it brings you lots of inspiration. And also, please stay tuned because after this video, I will be premiering my fall home tour for 2023. And I would love to have all of you back to enjoy that video as well. So without further ado, let's get started. This is my grapevine wreath, and I'm showing you this wreath because I use this during my spring and summer, and I placed this wreath on my front door. So what I did is I removed all the florals and only left the greenery on this grapevine wreath. I'm going to add in some fall foliage to this wreath, and we're going to use this as our fall wreath on my front door. So let's get started. So this is what I have pulled from my stash. All this right here is just some leftover pieces that I have. And all these right here are some new florals that I purchased this year from the Dollar Tree. So it looks like I have some chrysanthemum mums. We've got these sunflowers here. I think that's what these are. Yeah, these are sunflowers. Look at the dark center. And I think these are mums also. I really, really like these. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start adding in the leaves first, and then we'll add the florals throughout. So what I've done is I've taken my wreath off the wreath stand and I've placed it flat on my table here. And I'm going to start by using these leaves. I have an assortment here, and I'm going to just go ahead and add in all these leaves all the way around the circumference of this wreath. So this is the progress so far, and I have completely covered the entire circumference of this wreath with my little golden bronze looking leaves here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it really fun, and I'm going to start adding in this row of leaves all the way around. And I'm going to add some florals too. To be perfectly transparent with you guys, these are just leftover pieces from previous projects. And I'm going to make this wreath very festive because I can't put neutralized colors on my front porch. It just blends in and everything just gets kind of blah. So we've got to have a pop of color on this front door. So let's get started. So can you see how just adding in these more vibrant leaves gives it a little bit more texture and some vivid personality, because truly, guys, everything, just because it's fall, everything does not turn orange, yellows, cranberries, wine. You know, we still have green vegetation in our state, and I do like these vibrant pops of color that is spread throughout. So let's add some florals to the mix. So now I'm going to add some of these sunflowers here, and I'm also going to add some of these dahlias. I just want to show this to you. I actually have two types of sunflowers here. As you can see, this one here is larger than this one. So I'm going to try to pair them together throughout the wreath. Sunflowers. I also have added in my dahlias throughout the circumference of the wreath here. Just giving you a quick view of it. And so now I'm just going to add in some more florals that I have from my stash. I'm also going to be adding in some of these mums here. And yeah. I only have 3 of these picks, okay? So I'm going to insert them, and I'm really going to have to be very strategic in how I put them in there. So let's get those in. Here, I'm just filming this from a different, longer angle, so you can see the difference in the wreath when we started in the beginning. And so we have fallified this wreath. And I love it. I think I'm going to add a bow to the top as my grand finale there. And so let's get that done. I think I'm going to use this bow here. This is a bow that I have used in the past, and it is very fun and festive. As you can see, it's got candy corn. And I didn't even know what this was. I bought this ribbon from New River Pottery, and I could never figure it out. Let a child come here and figure it out for me and told me these are actually bats on this ribbon. But nevertheless, I've got pumpkins up here. I've got some shimmer up here. So we're going to add it to this wreath. Now, this portion of my video is sponsored by Decor. This company reached out to me and wanted me to give a product review of their 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to unpackage this, and we're going to check it out together and see what this product is all about. This is the 3-in-1 multifunctional mini vacuum cleaner by Decor. Now, this is a great little cleaning tool to have because you can use it for a variety of cleaning purposes, such as cleaning your computer keyboard. You can use it in your vehicle, and you can also use it inside your home. Now, it comes with different attachments, and it comes in its own little carrying case. It is easy to assemble. Very easy instructions that tells you what all the little attachments are for. I'm just showing you some sections on my carpet right here. So I've got my little power machine ready to go. You press this button, hold it. Wow, look at that. So I'm just going to test this bad boy out and just see how much power it actually has. So right here, I am vacuuming my steps. Okay. See how I have these little pieces here? And I'm just picking them right So now I'm just trying it out in my SUV, and it cleans up well, and I think it will be a great tool to have. Thank you, Decor, for sponsoring this portion of my video. They're starting to bud out, and I'm going to put those on my front porch, and I'm going to transplant one of them into this pot here, so I'm getting my soil ready now.
Selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust.
Yeah. Guys, I decided to use some faux pumpkins this year. Instead of real pumpkins, because all I do is throw them away, so it's a waste of money. So I'm just going to add these that I got from Walmart, and we're going to put them into place. Okay, you guys, now I am losing daylight very fast, so I went on my patio so my neighbors won't think I'm crazy talking to a camera, and I'm going to create this quick vignette on my patio, and once I get it like I want it, I'm going to go ahead and place it on that ottoman on my front porch. Sorry for the poor lighting, you guys, but this is the ottoman that we're going to add that vignette to.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day stroke.